Hello students, welcome to West Bengal English Medium Guide. Today I am going to give you the question answers from chapter 6, class 5, Science, West Bengal Board, Matter Around Us. I will give you the exercise and insight question answers from this chapter. Before we start, just one thing I want to share with you, that I gave the link of Quora in the description box. If you want any notes from any chapter, you can share those chapters on that link. Okay, so let's start. Matter around us. At first, we have the objectives from this chapter. Number A, tick the correct answer. Number 1, molecules are made up of. Answer is atoms. Number 2, burning of a paper is. Answer is A, chemical. Number 3, liquids that can dissolve in water are called. Answer is number A, miscible. Number 4, the molecules of solid are. Answer is number A, closely packed. Next, number B, fill in the blanks. Number 1, burning of an incense stick is an example of chemical change. Number 2, the molecules of gases are loosely packed. Number 3, matter is made up of small particles called molecules. Number 4, carbon dioxide gas comes out when we open the bottle of aerated drinks. Next, number C, circle the odd one and justify. Number 1, oxygen, carbon dioxide, nitrogen, water. Odd one is water. Number 2, bus, air. Stone, chair. Odd one is air. Number 3, honey, oil, glycerin, juice. Odd one is oil. Number 4, milk, lemonade, pen, cold drink. Odd one is pen. Next, true or false. Number D. Number 1, heating increases the movement of molecules. True. Number 2, chemical changes are temporary changes. False. Number 3, crumpling a sheet of a paper is a physical change. True. Number 4, on heating water changes into water vapor. True. And now number E, there are some short answer questions. Okay, let's see. Why do solids have fixed shape? In solids, the molecules are packed together very closely. These molecules have strong force of attraction between them, due to which they cannot move much. So solids have definite shape and definite volume. Number 2, what is matter? Anything that occupies space and has mass is known as matter. Matter is made up of molecules and can change its state on heating or cooling. Next, number 3, difference between evaporation and condensation. Number 1, under evaporation, it is the process of changing of a liquid into its gaseous state. Number 1, under condensation, it is the process of changing of a gas into its liquid state. Number 2, on heating, the molecules of liquid gain energy and start moving faster. Number 2, on cooling, the molecules of gas lose energy and move slow. Number 3, this is a slow and gradual process. Number 3, this is a rapid and violent process. Number 4, evaporation usually takes place in low altitudes. And number 4, condensation happens mainly at high altitudes. Number 4, name 2 solids that can easily dissolve in water. Sugar and salts can easily dissolve in water. Number 5, what is freezing? The condensation of a liquid into its solid state is called freezing. Number 6, what is the source of oxygen for aquatic animals? Dissolved oxygen is in water is a source of oxygen for aquatic animals. Now number F, long answer questions. List the properties of solid, liquid and gas. Number 1, solids have strong intermolecular force. Number 1, liquids have weak intermolecular force. Number 1, gases have very weak intermolecular force. Number 2, solids have very less intermolecular space. Number 2, it has large intermolecular space. Number 2, it has very large intermolecular space. Number 3, it has definite shape and volume. Number 3, it does not have definite shape and volume. Number 3, it has no definite shape and volume. Number 4, solids cannot flow. Example, chair, table, book. Number 4, liquids can flow easily. Example, water, juice, milk. Number 4, gases can also flow or spread easily. Now, example, oxygen, nitrogen and carbon dioxide. Number 2, explain physical and chemical changes with the help of example. Physical change. A physical change is a change in which no new substance is produced. Example, ice melts to form water and water can again be freezed to form ice. Then no new substance is formed. It is an example of physical change. Now, chemical change. A chemical change is a change in which one or more new substance is formed. Example, when an incense stick burns, it produces carbon dioxide, water vapor and ash. 3 new substances are formed. In this case, the properties of new substances are formed are different from the incense stick which was burnt. This is an example of chemical change. Now, number 3, differentiate between the following. Number A, melting and freezing. Number 1, under melting, it is a process of a solid into its liquid state. Number 1, under freezing, it is a process of conversion of a liquid into its solid state. Number 2, in this process, the molecules of a solid gain energy. Number 2, in this process, the molecule of liquid loses energy. Number 3, internal energy of the substance also increases for melting and internal energy of the substance decreases for freezing. Okay, now number B, miscible and immiscible liquids. Under miscible, number 1, liquids that can easily mix with water are known as miscible liquids. Under immiscible liquids, number 1, liquids that do get mixed with water are known as immiscible liquids. Number 2, these liquids are separated by the process of functional distillation. Number 2, these liquids are separated by using separating funnel. Example under miscible liquids, glycerin and honey are miscible liquids. And example under immiscible liquids, oil and ghee are immiscible liquids. Number 4, how will you show that molecules of liquids have space between them? Take a glass and fill half with water. Mark the point on the glass at the level of water with a marker. Now take another glass of same size and shape. Put 2 spoons of salt in it. Again mark the level of salt with marker. Now dissolve the salt and water. We will observe that the level of water does not rise. This shows that salt has occupied the space between the molecules of water. Number 5, explain why liquids can flow while solids cannot. The molecules are not so closely packed in liquids. They have space between them. The force of attraction between the molecules is less as compared to solid. That's why liquids can flow. Number 6, write a note on solubility of solids and gases in water. First point, solubility of solids in water. Some solid substances like salt and sugar, when added to a glass of water, disappear after some time because they are soluble in water. Some substances do not dissolve in water and are called insoluble substances. Sand and chalk powder are insoluble in water. Next point, solubility of gases in water. Gases like oxygen, nitrogen, ammonia and carbon dioxide can dissolve in water. When we open an aerated drink, gas bubbles come out. They are nothing but carbon dioxide which is dissolved in water. Similarly, aquatic animals like fish breathe in oxygen dissolved in water. Okay, so these are the exercise question answers from the chapter 6, class 5. Science book, West Bengal board, matter around us. I will give you the inside question answers in the next video. Again, I want to say that I gave the link of Quora in the description box. If you want any notes from any chapter, then you can share that chapters on that link. Okay, so that's all for today. See you soon with a new video. Till then, take care and bye.